In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change music or song in Geometry Dash level editor. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Geometry Dash, click on the edit icon and then click on create. From here, you then want to look for the level that you want to edit. So in my case, I'm going to be using this one. Click on view and then click on the edit button once again. Simply inside this page, to edit out your music, click on the gear icon, which is going to be the main setting. And then below that, you have the select song category. Click custom, click on the select custom song. And from here, you can enter the song ID. You can simply search for song ID on your browser. Or you can find songs on Music Library, NCS, or Newgrounds. So if you click on Music Library, it will then open up musics that we have or we can use instantly. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. Just click on download, click on use, and from there you will be able to change your music in Geometry Dash level editor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.